Hello everyone, welcome to Tony Talks. Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
Pé as people they think if it be, if it not be. But the truth is, this kind of thing that she's doing or did happens to people that are into all these things. That's why people are saying that. Just the same story. There are many antecedents like that. Like this person that, okay, I thought it was fabulous. Okay, sorry, I thought it was Ifa something. All these people that bear Ifa Yemi, Ifa Keneko, they are from the Ifa family. They are from the Ifa family. If they now become born again now, you understand? And there's something about them, they have to break it. You have to break it. You need someone that truly knows God to bring you out from that your lineage and break it. If not, the Ifa will be asking for you. And let me tell you, all the people that want to talk they come from the Ifa family. They can make it. They can make it. They have the Ifa bring money for them, Ifa bring everything. You will now see some of them, they will be very poor. Then they will tell them that it's because they did not do their Ifa. They did not do their Ifa. You want to leave your Ifa family people. You are not with Esekon, with God. You are with God. You are with, you are tricking yourself. You have to make sure you are with God. Then the people that know God, you know this fake one, no. Not only all this real Jericho's pastor, the pastor that know God, that are truthfully for God, they will do deliverance for you. They will remove you. You too, you will know in your dream. Your dream is to show that they are no more with you. You will just see them woman coins here. You are now on your own. But many of you, if you are one leg in this, you are not too hot, you are not too cold. When you Orun come, Orun will carry you and go. Orun will carry you and go. And you cannot take many things from Orun and you won't pay back. It's like taking something from Sesho. It's like taking something from Sesho and you won't pay back. You will pay with Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ ká pay back with nǹkan tó le. That is why some of them change their name. Yes. Pony kids or okay. No, I don't want to be talking too much because you people are laughing. Today's topic. The people on board today, I'm not talking to you people. Go lie. Me only buy. I won't be coming to tell you because I saw that you people, some of you will be seeing all these things out there. All this rumor about that woman, it may be true. It may be a lie, but things that they are saying is truly happening. Are we clear? The reason is because everything that happened to her is what happened to all the things, all the people that same thing they are saying that, oh, she's a ritual, she did ritual. It has happened like that to them. There was one man that time. His name is hey. It's an Igbo guy. The guy get money. In the 90s, he get money. Hey! And you know that time, Igbo people, when they do ritual, they feel use maybe their mama, or especially their mama, mama or mama, they have suffered. Or they will tell them that they can only live for 5 years. Or that time they used to do some kind of baddest ritual in the 90s. Now you go type in Sister One Day. You people, did you hear me type in? Is Sister One Day? You are on your own. Did I type anybody? Did you hear me? God made me to forget. See them, they are writing it. Did you people hear me? See Shelley, lawyer the law. I didn't say anything. Oh, you people type in. Did I type any name? That's you. That day. I know they type that kind of thing. No? God purposely make sure say I forget the name. When they hear they type. No answer them. Oh. Only me and you people they gist here. Wallahi talai, my darling ones. This thing I'm telling you people have to go and be checking. It's antecedent stories that have happened. This man, the money, say head they drop money. The man was having money like this, the money plenty. When he died, he carried Peking go. On the expressway like this, only 5 years. He take get some bastard money. Can I shock you people? I get one friend with data. He carry the girl glory go. The girl fine. She used to be my customer. I won't say. When the man, as he go like this, he carried the girl's glory. Now she fine pass for her family. Now she be the moment they say all the girls that dated that man, all of them, their glory go. I'm telling you, all the people that chopped the man money because he really loved this my friend. Me only paro for him. She was my customer. If you see her, she's an Igbo girl. If you see that my friend, oh fine you, oh fine. They are thinking it's Mami Water Spirit that I said. It's not Mami Water Spirit, it's that spirit of Ezego because the chance with that man do all the people will benefit, where the man fiyaluya with, where all the spirit that ritual it will carry all the glory and go. All this thing I'm telling you people, I'm Mokonja Isini. You don't know. All these churches you are going to, you have to be very careful how they touch your head, how they do anything with you. That's why you need, because if you don't need your glory, it's better you leave it in your house. Because they take people's glory. All these people, they take people's glory in all these churches. And not only church, in different places, but especially all these church Pentecostal that are fake. May God allow you discern the spirit. That's why, if God said, it all talk, I said, test all spirit. Now your business, if you go there to Ais Kongba Olojuede, they do amebo, test the spirit. I'm telling you, that's how that my friend, the moment, and at that time we were all in university. I told you people, don't tell where I don't they sell. I can sell anything. Just bring your anything. I go sell. So I was selling anything I wear. People like. So I was not getting those things, and I was selling. That my friend, if she sees me like this in that ticket, that she likes anything I wear, she go say she wants her. The back big. He used to drive white car. Any car he brings to our area then. White is it white? Is it go? Me, I was privy to see him only once, because me, anytime he comes to our area, I didn't even quickly know it was Ezego. The transformation he even did I mention his name? No, I don't talk about the dead like that, yo. The original minimo joko. Why I can't talk about? Why did I mention his name now? Hey, let me close my window. I don't know who is passing. So you waiting concern me with? I didn't see him. Let me close my window. So yeah, more. Hey Joe, make I close my window. I didn't fear. Gossiping on this shame. I know they retract anything. Beshi, I know they retract. You don't talk. I know they retract anything. I know they retract anything. I don't close my window. Wait till you can catch me for here. God go catch up for me. What is the window me? That my friend. The day I was privy only once to see him, you know, if he enters our area at that time, you go know say person enter. Moto yen man corny. The man was hot like that. Before you know it, we just hear one day like that. He died with picking. Now people come they talk say, no, he didn't dash me. Oh no, never. That you know that is behind. You don't enter this line. No, you know, women don't trust each other that time. Beg go make fly not on the drop from up. Joe. Women don't trust each other. You know, that my friend, I don't think she, you know, we don't go out together. She was in the East, university in the East, and you know, we are just Ikeja friends, and she buys stuff for me. So it was just that the day I was going to actually go and get money from her, I was just right in front of their gate when the car came in, as in just drove in, you know. So me, I was there. So I don't know how they did the the man's face came out at the back, and he said, please, can you get, he mentioned her name, and she already was coming from upstairs too, and so they just tell me, I can't know say now the man be that. So and from there I can't know say the man na him dey take care of am. You understand? I always see that big Porsche cars and white, even though the interior didn't look white, but the cars, the few times I saw his car, he dated that my friend. He made her a big girl in that university. Tani Omo, he turned her to a big girl. When the man died, her beauty, everything, everything they be paid. Everything just go, man, and I believe that's what he must have done to everybody. You can't chop with, if you want chop with devil, your spoon was long. You can't chop with devil and you enjoy parent. You will, you know, there's some kind of glory when it comes like that. That's why people were thinking, what's that boy that is like Mohbad? That boy that died at 27. That Yoruba boy. Hey, people remember that boy now that died at 27. That had accidents. That's why people were saying that he did ritual. The green. Thank you, Sister Debbie. Is, you know, that's why people were saying it. People like that, I can't say it's like that. No, I can't. People were saying, you know, that was the time people ritual have said coming up. People were saying, I don't think that's that boy's destiny. You understand? For me, that, you know, but all those Igbo guys, all those ones that did Ogun, they did it. They did it. You know that this thing that they call ritual to make money, it has been since. What do you mean? It has been since. Hausa too, they do it. Hausa woman, our tenant's niece. Now so Hausa taking womb. Hausa man, she was in Unilag, all these beautiful girls in Unilag. Our tenant's niece. Who didn't know this? His niece in Moremi. You know our queens of that time. That's so she buy the girl. Hausa buy the girl. This exists. It's ritual. It exists. But you know, when it happens to somebody, so people will relate it to her. Since it's like the story is similar, so they will think it's. Yeah, can you do ritual? No, I can't. I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm ambitious, but I believe in The one the Bible says, I will bless the work of your hand. That is my own principle. And I can't do it. That's the same way I cannot carry cocaine. I can't. I can't carry it. I like money. I know that money is good. But I can't carry cocaine. And I can't escort you to carry it. And I can't do the business. I can work to make money. I can work. Yes, I can work. I can think business. Can think, do I do? I can. I wish to have, there are some things I wish to have, but God have not given it to me. But if God says it's not, I've not made the money to do it. If I have money, I will buy private jets. But I don't have the money. That's what I mean. But I will work and the green. Thank you, Sister Debbie. Is that's why people were saying it. People like that, I can't say it's like that. No, I can't. People were saying, people, that was the time people ritual have said coming up. People were saying, I don't think that's that boy's destiny. You understand? For me, that but all those Igbo guys, all those ones that did Ogun, they did it. They did it. You know that this thing that they call ritual to make money, it has been since. What do you mean? It has been since. Hausa too, they do it. Hausa woman, our tenant's niece. Now so Hausa taking win. Hausa man, she was in Unilag, all these beautiful girls in Unilag. Our tenant's niece. Who didn't know this? His niece in Moremi Hall. Our queens of that time. That's so she buy the girl. Hausa buy the girl. This exists. It's ritual. It exists. But when it happens to somebody, so people will relate it to her. Since it's like the story is similar, so they will think it's can you do ritual? No, I can't. I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm ambitious, but I believe in the one the Bible says, I will bless the work of your hand. That is my own principle. And I can't do it. That's the same way I cannot carry cocaine. I can't. I can't carry it. I like money. I know that money is good, but I can't carry cocaine. And I can't escort you to carry it. And I can't do the business. I can work to make money. I can work. Yes, I can work. I can think business. Can think, do I do? I can. I wish to have, there are some things I wish to have, but God have not given it to me. But if God says it's not, I've not made the money to do it. If I have money, I will buy private jets. But I don't have the money. That's what I mean. But I will work and still at least drive a car that I love. Even God, the car that I love, I can't afford it yet. Yeah, but I can see just at least legit hair like that. That's the way I can. Some people, they're doing legit and they have money as if they did ritual. At least let me use my son Davido as an example. You understand? They are doing legit, but and they have money as if they are doing ritual. You understand? And it's okay. His wife relocated to Canada and is remarried. Oh, her son said so in an interview. Whose wife is it? Whose wife do you mean? Oh, is it the guy, the man? The wife don't pay me now, so I hear say the wife marry him. I don't know what you people are saying, no. I can't know. It's not well in those days. To be sincere, it's so every tradition, every tribe have their own way of doing ritual. Yoruba does, Igbo does. Igba, Yoruba son they put Igba on. You know, Yoruba son they would still all those times that people used to just miss. They will put Igba, but Igbo they would use their mother, they will use their sibling. Igbo son, those rugged Igbo people, they will use mother. Hausas, they will come to Yoruba land or Igbo land or in their, they will come, all those girls, all these universities, they will come. That's our tenant's niece. The girl, when they dropped her in front of the father's house, when they woke up in the morning, beautiful. If you know this person I'm talking about, she's a paragon of beauty. Tall and beautiful. She was Miss Kinikon in Lagos Unilag. Moremi o. They now dropped her there. When they dropped her there, she's the only girl of her father. When they dropped her there, the father, they called the attention of the father. You know, man, in the morning when people, they called the father. When the father came out, the father explained to us like this. I was young, but now so they explain and my eyes see her as if I was there. The father said when the daughter spoke that it's one allergy that picked her and took her to one place. She mentioned the area. She said out the houses, everything. They rushed and took her to Lut, Idiarababi, hospital around there, so that they can be treating her. She didn't survive it. She explained to the father that when she got there, the man then told her that, you know, they were about to have something. Then the next thing, the man brought out a calabash and a big snake. The man told her that it's the snake that was going to do her. I hope it's not horror film, because even me, I'm scared. Let me look around. That is the snake that will do the thing with her, that she should not worry. It will just go in and come out. Maybe the snake went to bring out her womb. I don't know. But by the time she understood what was happening, she couldn't talk. She was talking, but she was not okay. The Hausa man dropped her they dropped her in front of their house on the floor there. Hausa people were wicked, you know. Ritual ati wa ti pe. This thing I'm telling you people happened in the 80s, late 80s. I was still in secondary school. That the man, they said the area the girl mentioned, everything, they didn't find the place. So till tomorrow. In fact, this particular story affected my. That's why I didn't date Hausa at all. She read me. Me ni paro fun yin. Igbo not even invite me go any corner. Me as go is what I saw about them. You can't invite me, you know, and be telling me I'm scared of spiritual people. I never dated Hausa one day in my life. Mo beru won ju. Alaji. Most of the people that all this, there was one that they said he had wound. That by the time they realized that a lot of Unilag students that were sick and dying, and there were, you know, that it was this Alaji that was doing it, it was already so late. A few of them had died before they, you know, the one that were able to talk out. They said when you go to the man, it's the wound. You will lick it like this. It will give you millions. How can you lick wound? It's that wound that brings the money. Emma says, indeed, they say, yeah, you are stating for, it's true life stories. True life stories. All this university, Unilag, all those, they, you know, before me, I entered universities, we had people that were older and they were there. So when me, I enter university like this, I dey fear runs. Hell! I fear runs. That's why, na me date poor person pass. I dey fear runs. I don't like rich man. Because of all these things, I dey fear runs. I fear it because I fear runs. I fear runs. I fear them because many of them, they really destroyed many people's lives. You understand? Students go just develop sickness like this from licking wound. And so the person go just die. Yeah, it's outside. It's outside allergy. All this allergy. You get one girl where I know that way they date allergy. Till tomorrow she not born. She all pass me. The man, they give her money. They give her money. Till tomorrow, I don't know if the man, she not born, she not marry. She marry. The man, I don't know what time she shall not there with the man. She not born. She was throughout at the time when we day school. Now that house man, they take care of the man. The man, they spend money like say, hey, if I'm to look at her then, and you know, I know they remember what happened to that lady, our tenants things. And for say, maybe she did. I not admire her for me rich. And today I am right because her life, as the man takes spend money for her rich, her life not good today. And then you want nothing. She not born, she not marry, she not do anything. The man carry all the glory go. Ọlọ́run dáríjì mi o. Ọlọ́run dáríjì mi o. I'm not saying that it's not everybody that didn't give birth or that didn't marry that are like that too. But it gets on runs. All those allergies, they don't destroy lives. He commands them with charm so they can't say no. Yes. And if they sick well. Yes, there was always an allergy in Federal Palace Hotel with wound on it. Hey, thank you. Then in Unilag, and lots of girls will go there for threesome, knowing fully where he had. Thank you. This is story that I know. I don't, you know, but the Unilag people told us. That you can never tell me about any allergy. Hausa shame me. That our tenants needs that pipe, the Hausa pipe, me. When I went to do NYSC in Sokoto, you know my NYSC was in Sokoto. I lie. My friends, I want Ajias, my own friends in NYSC during camp orientation. Wallahi, they were benching this area. Our Edo boys, you know, I say Edo boys, they like runs well. Edo boys, they be gigolos. I'm sorry. So they would tell me, I won't lie. They are married to, they are Iyawo kekere. They would tell me that I should come to the hotel with them. So you know me now be area. So me now, you go to say they be my boyfriend. Maybe now me 3 boys go knock now, and those girls will take hotel. Those girls, they smoke. That's why if you can't bore here for me, and I would think that you are a good person. I've been there. I've seen, forget it. You can't cover your head like this and cover all your body. And for that reason, I will think that you are decent. It's a lie. It doesn't have anything to do with decency. Cover your body for yourself. You can't see these girls, their body. They are my friends. And they are married. Their husband, old men like this. They sell gold. I don't know what they do. They will lodge us in the hotel. Yeah, I will be there. I will always be there now because I'll be their friend. And boys say, different room. Ibasun. They will enjoy themselves. Money They will give me room. I'm their best friend because I be a kudi. and my Muslim name, my name is Muslim name. They love me. I've seen, I've asked God for forgiveness. I don't do all that again. Know that I was good. Me, I don't do that again. Those girls, they marry old people. Old people. Oh, they will bench those boys. Benching gidi. Àwọn ọmọ òṣìyà Edo State yẹn. Àwọn náà máa bench. Wọ́n tún máa fún wọn lówó. Not be said they be ashawo. They will be in love. They will be in love with those boys. When I said I was moving to Lagos for my kilamati enpe ba Oloyibo Kotamanpe, that I was doing transfer. Oloyibo Kotamanpe, when you are leaving after orientation 1 month, that you want to now they get one English show with the call, and Abuja I'll go do one where they change me to Yanopaja for Lagos. Come and see cry. You will think that I'm the one that as if I'm the one sponsoring them. Come and see cry, Ekun, because they can't redeployment. Thank you, my darling Zafi. When I said that I was redeploying to Lagos, come and see cry. Deployment. Come and see cry. Come and see cry. You will think that I'm the one that sponsored all of them to come to NYC in Sokoto. Not the boys, so no. I also come up and I mean the girls, they were telling me, what do I want? How I should stay? This one's I said, oh, how can I stay here? I can't stay in Sokoto. Sokoto, no. I said, I have to go to Lagos State. Outside name, woman doko. Man, that was small boys in here. Atumu sìgá tí mu gbogbo àwọn Hausa wèrè yẹn àwọn bàbá yẹn ó lè jẹ gbogbo owó tí wọ́n ní yẹn wọ́n ti fi pa àwọn they finish using, they buy all the Africans in. They don't marry Yoruba. Well, they will just collect just from your body. Your womb have been kokomi, your mom got to one show. Alaji wo pa àwọn èèyàn gan àwọn Hausa yẹn yóò fẹ́ wọ́n rí. This is why I love you. Your story doesn't change. Oh, look for me. It's because it's my story now. It's not what happened to me, my sweetheart. It's what happened to me. It's my story. So how will it change? It will only change if it's not what happened to me. It's my story. So if I repeat it, it's still going to be the same thing because it happened to me. It happened to me. So these are all the things that I have. It is